as the one who wants to do sugar crafts.
Do what?
This is so cool. Nice. Yay. So all those parts where you have the blistered fondants, just poking the leaves. So it's good. So Fasi is doing the one for the bottom. Nice.
So making your wedding cake was stressful. I wouldn't even lie about that, but then it was very, very, very fun. And as you can see, we've actually achieved quite a lot. First time baking, designing a wedding cake. It was really good, and learning at Cakeflair was extremely fun. The staff were fun. There were so many fun memories, and I'm just so happy. Baking such a large batch was tasking because this is the first time I've ever tried to make this amount of cake. And making the roses, at first it was frustrating, trying to create everything, trying to make it look realistic, trying to paint it, but then it all came together. It looked very pretty, and at Cakeflair we had a lot of fun. It was interesting, a hands-on class. They didn't do anything for us, we did everything by ourselves. Every single thing, which was nice, and it ensured that we actually learned how to do everything.
They are repairing the house. They have to divide the whole floor.